Hello there, I'm Yvonne de Celis, and I'm coming to you on YDCtv. I'm coming to you very late this week. To all of my viewers, I'm sorry I didn't do anything sooner this week. I have not been doing great this week. My wrist has been killing me. I'm not really sure why. I thought that as winter went away that the pain in my wrist was going to ease off, but for some reason these past few days it's been really, really bad. But I really wanted to get a video out to you guys. I know a lot of people have been waiting, so I'm just going to do a bunch of things today. I'm going to go over a few energy medicine exercises. I'm going to go over very briefly the importance of drinking water, even though it's not hot summer yet. I'm going to briefly go over the K27 points, which are where your collarbone almost meets. There's two little divots right underneath the collarbone where it meets. Those are called the K27 points. I'm going to go over how you can clear your lymph to free your body of toxins. And I'm also going to show you an exercise you can do to unscramble yourself or to help yourself if you have dyslexia. Anyway, all that said, just to get some logistics out of the way, at some point down below on the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see a subscribe button, a little round circle. If you click on that, you can have YouTube give you notifications on occasion when I make changes to my channel. If you want constant notifications, when you hit subscribe, you will see a bell icon show up next to the word subscribe. If you click the bell, you will get hounded by YouTube, whether you're in your browser or not, but you will get constant notifications if I make changes to my channel. You can do that by channel, and you can also turn that on and off individually by channel. Anyway, all that said, thank you for coming to visit me. If you would subscribe to me, that would be very helpful for me as a small YouTuber. But anyway, I want to go into the exercises now, so without further ado, I wanted to do a video about the importance of drinking water, but I'm going to wait until it feels really, really hot. It hasn't felt that to me this year yet, maybe just one day so far. To my fellow MSers out there, pardon the air quotes, but for my fellow MSers, I know a lot of you hate the heat. I used to hate the heat too. The heat used to make me feel really lousy, and that's a common occurrence. A lot of people who have multiple sclerosis have troubles in the hot weather. It can bring the MS symptoms on, or it can make the MS symptoms feel a lot worse, and I understand that, and I feel bad that you're going through that. But one of the things about the importance of drinking water, particularly as it gets hot, just very important, keep yourself hydrated. I always try to keep a cup of water near me. One of the other nice things about drinking water, it's really good. It'll keep you nourished. It'll keep you healthy. But one of the other nice things about drinking water, particularly in really, really hot weather, I fill my cup up and I put a ton of ice cubes in it. I drink freezing cold ice water. I find that very helpful in regulating my temperatures, particularly, or my body temperature, in conjunction with the heat. So that's just another tip to be aware of. If you're finding yourself very hot, very uncomfortable, try ice water. That could help a lot. So anyway, that's the importance of drinking water, how water can help. Sorry again, I'm just looking at a list because I don't want to forget anything, because again, I know I've been gone for a very long time. The K27 meridian points. I'm going to go over doing the 3 thumps, which is part of Donna Eden's energy medicine exercise. And one of the first things she does, actually the first thing she does, is her cheekbones. So that's a spot that you can tap it vigorously. As in, if you were sleeping and someone started doing this to you, you'd probably want to punch them out. But you tap pretty vigorously, not to the point of pain, but just vigorously. And then you go down to the K27 points. And this is one thing I learned today. I could never understand why these were called the K27s, which, by the way, to find them, you trace your collarbone from the back to the front, right up underneath your throat, basically, where the points almost meet. Just drop your fingers down just a little bit, and you should feel 2 little soft spots, 2 little indentations. Most people have 2 little soft spots or indentations right under the collarbone. Where those spots are, just tap. Those are your K27 points. And again, they're called this because they are on kidney meridian, number 27. That is why they are called the K27 points. So this is part of the 3 thumps. So that's one of them, and the other one is the thyroid thump. You can do it with one hand, or you can do the Tarzan thump if you want, or the Tarzan tap. That's a good one as well. This is pretty invigorating, and it also sends energy upwards when you're doing this. You can also do the karate chop, which is on the side, this outside part of the hand. You just tap it this way. This is part of the EFT tapping, which is also, I believe, emotional freedom technique, according to the tapping school by Nick Ortner. You can also go under the arm. You can go back to the cheekbones, and then you can just go up sides of the eyes, and then outside on the eyebrows, and also on the inside. And you can also tap up. One of the nice things about tapping is it's very invigorating, but it also can be very helpful if you find you have a lot of anxiety or a lot of stress. It can be very helpful for settling down. It basically turns down your body's fight, flight, or freeze response. So tapping is something you can do throughout the day to help keep yourself calm, cool, and collected. So anyway, the next one is clearing your lymph to free your body of toxins. When I say lymph, I'm talking about the lymph system or lymphatic system. Think of it as your immune system, but in the energy realm. So to clear your lymph system, you can help your body clear your lymph by just going where your arm meets with your torso, from the top all the way down to right where the armpit is. Just vigorously massage along the sides. Sorry if my hoodie is in the way. I can try to take this off to try to show you exactly where I'm doing the massage here. I'm a little bit chilly, that's why I've got the hoodie on at the moment, but I think it's kind of hiding what I'm trying to do, so I'm going to just move it. But again, you're just vigorously massaging down, all the way down until you get to your armpit, basically, and then go to the other side and just massage down, and this helps clear your lymph. And it helps free your body of toxins, and then to clear any negative energy that may have come into your hand chakras, just rub your hands together and shake them out. So that's to clear your lymph. And this is the last piece. This is what you can do if you're feeling scrambled, if you feel like your thoughts are just all jumbled up, your brain, you just feel scattered, or I should say, or if you have dyslexia. This is something that can be very helpful. This is the pseudo-modified version of the Wayne Cook posture, which is also part of Donna Eden's daily medicine or daily feel-good energy medicine routine. I'm backing up just so I can show you exactly what's going on. You're going to put your arms out in front of you, and now you're going to crisscross. Now, I often get asked here, how do you know which arm to put on top? Easy, just clasp your hands together and look down and look and see which thumb you have on top. Whichever thumb you have on top, that's the arm that you're going to put on top. Generally, it's usually like if you're left-handed, it's your dominant side. I'm left-handed and it's my left arm. So you bring your arms together, crisscross them, face your palms towards each other, and clasp your hands together. Bend at the elbow and bring your clasped hands together and put them on your heart chakra. Now we're going to leave our hands on our heart chakra, and we're going to breathe in deeply, in and out. Breathe in through the nose, put your tongue up at the top of the roof of your mouth, and then when you breathe out, let your tongue drop and breathe out through the mouth. So let's take 2 more deep breaths. One more time. Usually you want to do like 3 or 4 breaths here. And then on the last exhale, bring your hands out and steeple your fingers together, meaning all of your fingertips are touching each other, and your thumbs too, but you can bring your thumbs out a little bit and bring it right up to the bridge of your nose, where your nose joins your head, right here. And now you're going to still do the breathing. 2 more breaths here. 1 more. And then you can let go. I'm just going to rub my hands together and shake them out 1 more time. Now, bring your hands to the center of your forehead, press in, and pull out. Think of it as you're opening an energy center right here. And now just go to your heart chakra. Sorry if my hand's bumping the microphone, hope it's not. Keep your hands at your heart chakra. And that's pretty much the whole exercise. If you want, you can add to this. You can bring your hands up here, crisscross, and hang off your shoulders, and then just grab, squeeze, and go down. Squeeze, go down to your elbows, and then just slide across, and then rub your hands together, shake them out. And that's it. I hope these energy medicine exercises help you. As always, thank you so much for your time. Namaste, peace and light. Please let me know down below if there's anything you would like to see me try to help you with. If you are having any sort of problem, physical, emotional, psychological, if there's anything you are feeling that you would like some energy medicine helping with, please put a comment down below and I will try and help you out. As always, thanks so much for coming. I will be doing more videos soon. I don't know about this week because, again, my wrist is killing me. I really only have one workable wrist or one workable hand at the moment, which makes life a little bit challenging. But again, I did want to show you those energy medicine exercises, so I hope those are helpful to you. I apologize once again for being gone so long. I'm hoping to be back soon, and of course now my phone is giving me an alert. Sorry. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to see me. Once again, take care of yourself. Be as well as possible. Peace and light. Cheers. Bye-bye.